Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today I am super excited because we're actually doing another requested makeup look. This look has been requested by someone again on my Instagram, and if you don't, you should follow me on there. And it was one of the looks I have done for the Malt Cosmetics 8 Days of Halloween looks. Basically, they provide us with a theme and you could create your own take on it. I don't know what day this is from, but it was the theme Demon. I will probably insert the picture of it somewhere anyway, so you can actually see. So yeah, this is what I'm doing today. For this look you will only need one eyeshadow palette. This is the sooo for X Revolution palette. Affordable, it's £10 in Superdrug. And then a few other things. So in order to keep the video moving a little bit quicker, I already primed with the same primer, eyeshadow primer that I always use. The only thing I done differently this time is that I dragged it lower under my eye, because as you've seen on the picture it's gonna be a little bit more blown out as usual. Anyway, as usual, what I would wear for work. And yeah, so it's probably going to be a voiceover or whatever, just because I am kind of in a rush. And yeah, using that palette I will make sure that I show hopefully everything clearly enough for you to follow along. So let's just get right to it. There we go, here's the voiceover as promised. Actually, thinking about it, I need to stop saying that because then I end up having to do the voiceover. Anyway, as you've seen, I'm taking, you know, that white color and putting it under my brow as my underbrow highlight, as I do pretty much in every video. Then I'm taking this, to be fair, it looks more orange in the video than it actually does. It looks more like a reddish orange. But anyway, you see where I'm putting it, just there in the crease. And also I will be putting this color pretty much around the eye, kinda wanting to make it look like someone kind of punchy on the eye, which, you know, it's not really the look that we're going for, but that is kind of the basis of this look. Also, if you're at this step and you're like, wow, you're taking it really low, and yes, I was, and I didn't realize I actually took it so far down, because I actually had to correct that later. So if you're actually recreating this, do not drag it that far down that I did. And now I'm taking, you won't believe it, but it is the third and last color actually needed for this look, which is just a solid matte black. And you know, you see where I'm putting it, just basically on the lid, a little bit on and over the crease, and shortly I will be also taking it under the eye. You will see that I went back into with this brush after I have applied the gel liner, or you can basically apply a Kujal liner or kohl liner, whatever basically you have to hand. You do not need to have any specific kind of liner for that. Any black liner will do. Also, I'd just like to point out at this point that you do not need to use that reddish orange color. You could literally have used any color. It just kind of is put in place to help with the you know, blending out, so it doesn't go directly from black to my pale ass skin, but there's like actually something in between there to make it look a little bit more, I don't know, reasonable or whatever. Now I took that same brush that I applied the reddish orange, even though actually I will start saying that because it literally just looked orange on the recording. So yeah, I took that brush and I literally just blended out the edges, you know, so it's not so harsh and looks a little bit more smoky. And as kind of already mentioned earlier, I'm taking that liner and I'm going over with the same brush to just smudge it out a little bit again to give it that more dark, yeah, I don't know, just, you know, you see what I'm doing. So after I have done that, just double check that I'm, you know, still on the right path there. And yeah, it was quite right. I just realized right there and then that I have taken the orange color too low, so I took it off with a makeup wipe. Well, obviously not the entire thing, just a little bit under my eye. And then I went back with that brush to blend it out. And after I've done that, I also went in with a clean brush again to just blend out all of the edges to make it a little bit more seamless and smoky and stuff. So after I done that, I went in with mascara, and actually I hate to admit it, but this Marc Jacob mascara is great and I love it. And yeah, I really didn't want to love it because this stuff is expensive and I'm used to Maybelline, so but yeah, it's really good, guys. If you can afford it, I would say go for it. And now I'm taking one of my trusted makeup stuffies that I've been used forever. Obviously not this particular one, just this or very similar makes of it. It's from Catrice. It's a liquid eyeliner and it's great if you want to look like you had a mental breakdown and you were crying tears while you had your makeup on. And here I'm taking this standard lipstick from ColourPop in Hello Stranger, as I demonstrated or shown you, you saw. And I'm just applying it as I usually would, however I decided to take it a little bit higher, a little bit more extra than I would for, you know, everyday wear. And I mean, as you can see. And here I'm wondering what happened with this lipstick because it settled pretty badly. It is from Makeup Revolution and it's their liquid lipstick that came out last Halloween. It's called Kiss of Death, and yes, it totally went all over my tongue. And I'm just kind of tapping that in the middle of the lips. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the finished look. As you've seen, it's really easy. I think I forgot to mention who actually requested this look. Now, on Instagram, Leah Hafner with double F, she requested that I actually film a tutorial showing how to create this look. Now, of course, you could wear this look with fake lashes, but it depends all on you. Leia, thank you so much for requesting this look. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. As I said, I'm pretty sure you can recreate this because it's like super easy. And yeah, I hope that you have liked it. And for all of you that don't tend to wear makeup like this, I know it's not Halloween anymore, but you know, some of us like to express ourselves a little bit, you know, on the darker side of the color spectrum. The only thing that's different, of course, is the hair. I did have two horns, like little hair buns made out of hair, which I'm not gonna be doing today because it's super easy. I can tell you how it's done though. So you take literally a strand of hair like so, you twist it around and then you just twist it into a hair bun, and then you secure it with either bobby pins or hair tie, whatever you have to hand. And yeah, okay, I am rambling along, so I will be inserting the pictures of this look because I feel like it's super exposed here because I'm sitting right in front of a window and I don't think you can actually see it very well. And yeah, I hope that you're doing well and that you're safe whenever you're watching this, maybe in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye!